With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to select the statement which correctly describes the homologous structures. Now we all know that homologous structures develop because of divergent evolution. So we are going to see these structures when two organisms are quite closely related to one another, or we can say when two organisms have a common ancestor. Here let us take the example of two mammals. On one hand we have human being, we have man. On the other hand we have whale. So if we look at the same structure in both of these organisms, suppose we are looking at their forelimb. If we compare their anatomy, there is going to be a lot of similarity. We are going to find similar bones in both of these structures, whether it is the flipper of a whale or whether it is the arm of a man. We are going to see the similar humerus, radius, ulna, then the wrist bones, the palm bones, the phalanges. All of these anatomical structures are going to be similar, but over a long period of time, these structures have undergone such an evolutionary change that because of adaptation to the different needs, adaptation to the different lifestyle of both of these organisms, despite being closely related, their forelimb is going to look very different when we look at it from the outside. The arm of man and the flipper of a whale is very different. So despite having a common origin, despite having a lot of similar anatomy, these structures have ultimately, because of evolution, developed such that their function that they are performing is no longer the same. They have become very dissimilar. And this is because of divergent evolution. When, despite having common ancestor, despite having the same origin, two structures undergo changes or undergo modifications along different directions, so that they can help the organism in adapting to the different needs, because obviously man is going to use his arm for a variety of different activities, whereas whale needs its forelimb to move about in its aquatic habitat for swimming. So that is why now, because their habitat and the behavior, their lifestyle, everything has become so different, despite both of them being mammals, despite being closely related to each other, both of their forelimbs are having anatomical similarity, they are having common origin, but their function has different because they have evolved along different directions. So over here for homologous structure, we are going to say option A is correct. They have anatomical similarity, but now they are performing different functions because the structures over a long period of time have undergone evolutionary change to accommodate different needs of the two different organisms. So option A is correct answer, because if you look at the rest of the options in option B, they are saying with anatomical dissimilarity. So that is not correct. They are saying anatomically different but function is same. So this is the exact opposite of what we were just discussing. Then they are saying they have no function. Now organs which has no function is not homologous. Such an organ is known as a vestigial organ. So again, not our correct answer. And finally they are saying appearing only embryonic stage and disappearing. So here we are talking about the structures found in the mature organism, not talking about only the embryonic structures. So only option A can be our correct answer. Homologous structure is developed by divergent evolution. So they have anatomical similarity, they have common origin, but they are performing different functions, such as the arm of man and the flipper of a whale.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.